Good afternoon, eAcademy students. We received a lot of emails and calls and questions about a few changes that have been made at the eAcademy. So this email is mainly pertaining to our returning students. A couple of days ago, we were informed that our student email addresses would no longer receive emails from any outside source. The district put this in policy for all schools, and we do understand the reason that they did that. It is a very good safety precaution for students of all ages to make sure that they are not receiving emails from places that they shouldn't, linked to their school email address. With that has come a few changes for us here at the eAcademy. I know a lot of parents and students use their cell phones or electronic devices to upload videos and pictures, and then parents are sending those videos and pictures to their student email. That is no longer going to work as of right now. We are still working out a few kinks and trying to figure out what the best solution is, but we wanted to touch base and let you know that we are working on it, we are aware of it, and as of right now you're going to have to find a different way to send those documents. One way we found that would work easiest is if you upload or add your email address to your parent's phone. So if the parent adds the student email to their phone or electronic device, they can upload to an email and then send it to the student's email itself. So for example, if I'm sending myself a picture or my student, I will log onto my phone from my student's email address, their school email address. And then I will upload a picture. In the to box on who I'm sending it to, I'm going to send it right back to that student's email. So it's basically sending it to yourself. And with that, they will receive the email and they'll be able to open it up on their school computer and send it to their teacher in the best way necessary. So it's a little bit more confusing. It does have a parent component where they're going to have to add that email address onto their phone, but it will minimize steps as far as trying to get that transferred over. Another issue that we've seen with this is that this does cancel the email forwarding. So parents who have signed up to have their students' emails forwarded to them are no longer going to receive that. If that is you, then you might need to log on to your student's email, check it regularly, because as of now, that feature is no longer working with our Gmail accounts. One other thing is if you're loading Powtoons or another outside project device, it's not going to work to receive a confirmation email. So these are all things that you guys have let us know aren't working. We understand they aren't working, and we're working as fast and as efficiently as we can to get that fixed in the best way possible for you. But again, like I said, it was a district concern. It is a district safety issue, so we do appreciate that and we do understand it, but it does take a couple extra steps for us. So we will let you know when we know anything differently, but if you have questions, please reach out to your mentor teacher, your grade level teacher, and we will get that information to you and help you in the best ways that we can. Thank you.